Hello everyone. This presentation is about writing journals or research articles using LaTeX. LaTeX has different document classes like article, report, book, letter, beamer. Article class is used for writing research papers or other articles that are of academic interest. So there are different sections in the article. First is the declarations, where we start what is going to be the general type of the document, like document class. You can make the fonts to be small and so on. These will be in effect until changed in the text document. There are different environments that would be used in the journal paper. Like we will have math environment, we will have figures, we will have tables, we will have references and so on. These environments have to match with a /begin statement and a /end statement. So the environments would be contained within /begin and within /end. Example is given here, like begin document. You fill your contents here and there is an end document. Then we have arguments. The arguments are contained in flowered brackets or curly brackets. For example, document class, the argument is article, which is the type of the report that we are going to make. These arguments sometimes can be optional also, like they will be put inside square brackets. When you have such optional arguments, they improve the quality of the document and the beauty of the document. These optional arguments are used to have more control over the commands. Like here we can specify document class. Within square brackets, I have specified 12 point, meaning the fonts are going to be of 12 point size. The class is going to be article. See, this is a generic command where we say document class is article. This is a more specific class, like document class 12 point and article, where the font size is going to be 12 point. Now there are different packages that are going to be used in the research journal paper preparation. We are aware of the AMS math package, which was used in equation environment in the earlier videos. So these packages are used in customizing research papers. So where do we get these packages? These packages can be downloaded on the fly from mictech.org or from CTAN website. Some of the examples of packages that are used in research journal are AMS math, graphics, EPS fig, geometry, fancy header, URL, Xcolor. These have to be declared in the declaration section of the text file. Like while we use mathematical environment, we had used use AMS package and so on. There are different types of font faces that would be used in a journal. Examples of such fonts are given here. You can have an emphasized font, you can have a boldface font, you can have a Roman kind of font, you can have serif font, sans serif font and so on. Similarly, you can also have different sizes of fonts that are chosen. The normal fonts will be of regular size, the footnotes will be of smaller size, and there are different varieties of font sizes that are used. These can be invoked by using /tiny, /script size, /footnote size, /small, /normal size, /large, /large text. This is very large, this is huge and very huge. Accordingly, the text sizes will appear in the document. You can also have different kinds of alignment. You can have center alignment, you can flush it to the right and you can also flush it to the left. The syntax is like this. /begin, you will have center, close the bracket. If it's going to be flush, right, put them within the curly brackets and so on. Now you can choose spacing in the journal paper. The margins, paragraphs and other spacings are discussed in this slide. The default spacing is 1.5 inches to 1.87 inches. Note that you can also use centimeters in place of inches as the metric. You can set the margins by using use package within the square brackets, margin equal to 0.5 inch and the class is going to be geometry. Remember, geometry has to be used as the package while doing this. Then to have new line in a paragraph, you can invoke double slash. If you want to get a new page, you can use /new page or you can use /clear page. Other spacings can be used by using tilde. Vertical spacing and horizontal spacing can be invoked by using the command /headspace. Within brackets, you can write whatever spacing you want, like 1 inch, 1.5 inch and so on. You can fill the spacing using horizontal fill, that is /hedgefill, or vertical fill /vfill. So we will also be finding bulleted lists and numbered lists. Bulleted lists are the ones which are sequence using bullets. Numbered lists are the ones which have numbers. So the command for making bulleted list is /begin itemize. Item, you write a text here. The second item, write another text. So whatever is the number of items here, those would be appearing as bullets. So this begin should customarily end with a end itemize. Similarly, we can have begin enumerate. This will create a numbered list. So we have items specified here and then we say end enumerate. The best way to make a journal paper is through downloading a template and filling the gaps that are there in the template with the required material. So these can be downloaded from CTAN website or from publishers like IEEE and Elsevier. I'll show you how to download a package and how to edit them. So what would be contained in the package is something like a main.tex, which will have all the required files together. There will be a preamble section, preamble.tex, where additional packages or macros are put. There will be a cover.tex where information about the title, author and so on would be put. The journal paper will have an abstract. This would be put as abstract.tex, and there will be a summary page which would be mailed to the editor. This would be coming as summary.tex. Paper.tex will contain the main body of your paper, including figures, tables, etc. Biblio.bib is a bibtex file which will contain the references. Appendix.tex will contain any appendices that you may have. Thank you. We will now see how to download a website and in the Google section, we type journal paper template LaTeX. So this would give you into different websites that provide you with templates. We choose the LaTeX templates website, which has different academic journals. You can see the journal format for ASME, you can see for ACS and so on. So you can choose whichever journal is suiting you and try to download the package, which is here. Full template description with download. So if you try to download and unzip it, that would be saved to your desktop. Now I've downloaded such a template for ACS website, which is called Akemso class. So this is the template I have opened in text, and this section, which are followed by percentage marks or comments, will not be compiled by the LaTeX editor. Now the first thing is the class is described, 2 side, 2 column and article. This section tells you what are the packages that are used, like blind text, math-passo, font ENC, microtype and so on. The next section tells you what kind of list have to be set, that is the set list command. Then once the command is being used, it can be changed by using renew command. Then if you still go down, you can see fancy head, fancy foot and so on. These are the formatting options that are available. Then comes the title of the paper. You set the title, you set the authors. Simply the places within the curly brackets have to be filled by the user. Other things are available in the template. Now the document begins, so you can have different sections, like the first section being introduction and so on. Then you have section methods. Within section you can have list like itemize and so on. And then you can have a section for results. You can have a table there. Then you can have subsections within the section like discussion and so on. then you can also have the reference. So this is the entire package that comes with any journal. Simply it can be downloaded and put to ease. Thank you.